how to log into ChatGPT account in iPhone. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open any of the browser. Here I'm gonna open Google. Now at the top you can see that search bar. Type in there chat.openai.com. Tap on search. Now tap on this option login. Now over here you have to enter your email address. Tap on this square box, I'm not a robot. Tap on continue. Now here you have to enter your ChatGPT account's password. And then tap on continue. This is very easy and simple process. You can see that I have easily logged into my ChatGPT account. In this way, you can easily log into your ChatGPT account in iPhone. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.